Elegance is not in how you look, but also in how you smell. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking to you about some elegance tips that are very underrated. So, the first step is elegant dressing. So, in elegant dressing comes the fact that we can always look classy and polished if we are wearing tailored outfits and well fitted fabrics in quality. Always remember that quality will beat quantity every single time. So go for structured blazers, structured jackets like the one I'm wearing here, as well as a lot of other neutral palette clothing. Neutral palette makes you look elevated, elegant, classy, and it is a timeless style that you can wear over and over again without having to buy new closet essentials every year based on your wardrobe and fashion trends. Now, the next point about elegance is looking at minimal or less makeup and accessories. So keep your accessories and makeup at a minimal so that your natural glow and skin of can come out and it can always look more put together and look effortlessly chic. The third step of elegance is obviously the way you smell. As you know, smell is connected with our memory and with the fact that if you are smelling good, there is a high chance that you will be remembered. So it is good that you invest that in a long lasting elegant perfume from a lot of luxury brands available. But what happens is luxury perfumes are very expensive and often we cannot buy a full size product, especially if we are young college students or early in our career. So I would suggest for that to go for options of authentic perfumes from trusted sellers like the Instagram store that I will mention here. So I got two samples from them. This is the two samples, as you can see. This is from YSL Libra. As you know, YSL Libra is one of the most common and most hyped perfumed, and there's a reason why. It smells like a floral, musky, as well as a lot of other luxe undertones that make it smell so luxurious. And this perfume can actually, this is a small size version, so obviously you don't have to pay for the full product and you get to taste it out and see how it works. This is a fragrance that I would recommend for nighttime events and for evenings because it does have a musky, almost towards the masculine kind of a woody undertone. So that's something that will definitely work better if you are trying to enhance your dark feminine side and if you are dressing up for a cocktail event or a business meeting and things like that. So this is more of luxe as well as power factor perfume. This is something I would recommend mostly in the evenings and for winters. Now let's come to the next one. This is from Giorgio Armani. This is the Si Passion. As you know, this is a very floral and fruity kind of sweet scent. This is perfect for daytime. Let's try this out. And also with perfumes, what I do is I try to apply it on my clothes also often because that gives again a very long lasting fragrance that you can use for a long time. And this is something that again you can try it out, see if it suits you. This perfume is more of a fruity sweet scent, so this is something I would definitely prefer for the daytime as well as summer, spring, this kind of floral fragrance. So goes very well with your floral dresses, your summer clothes, and also very good for vacation and just to bring out your light feminine side. Now let's come to home decor. As you know, we spend a lot of our time in our homes, and unless our homes smell good, we will not be very focused at our work. Also, if we have people coming over to our home, the way our home smells is actually can be very welcoming or very misleading also for people. So they may like it or might not like it. The ambience is set by home decor and a lot of fragrant home decor essentials like scented candles, potpourri, and fragment pots. As you know, a lot of chemicals are put in these home decor. So if you're inhaling it for a long time, it's often not very good for your health. So me being a doctor also, something I focus on is healthy ingredients and less chemicals in the products I use. So recently I've come across a brand that also I will be linking here. They have sent this beautiful camphor based and herbal home potpourri pot. As you know, if you put this in any corner of the room, this is going to make your whole room smell very wonderful. It has a natural inviting fragrance without it being very overpowering, so it adds so much of the that smell factor. People will ask you what type of room freshener you are using. Now let's come to the next part. This is such a beautiful, as you can see, a beautiful home decor piece. This also smells like scented candles. You can just put this anywhere in the table. You can put it in your bathroom, toilets, and just see how pretty this is. This is a very good home decor piece as well. So just by adding such elements, you can bring in a luxe feel to your otherwise everyday existence. As you know, it's our life and we have to take responsibility for our happiness of smelling good, keeping our surroundings clean, and making sure that we can enhance our productivity and boost our happiness as well. Smell is connected very closely to memory because the olfactory lobe is very closely associated with the hippocampus, which is the seat of memory. So do check out my other videos on mindset and glow up tips, as well as a lot of such videos on content that you can actually apply to your day-to-day life. And do check out the description box for the brands that I've mentioned here. I'm not going into the names, I'll just be writing the names here, and I'm adding the Instagram links. Do check out my Instagram link as well. Until next time, do check out the other videos on the channel. Bye bye.